Brian Little.
What is going on, guys? I'm the GM man if you're new to the channel, but I hope you like that little intro right there. I just want to do something different, but I hope you guys like my new truck here, the 2018 Chevy Colorado. No, I'm joking, this is a rental. Got it for the weekend because obviously I don't have my truck, but I got some good news on the 98. But I'm heading over to Chad's. We're gonna be installing some parts on the 79. So that being said, I'll see you guys over there. Peace. Alright there, guys, if you guys live anywhere in southern Indiana, hit Chad up for some wheels and tires, lift kits, whatever you need. That's what we're here today. We're going to be doing on the 79, adding some lift kit accessories and just getting it ready. So you guys seen them before on the truck, the stock height and everything. I'm probably not going to show you lifting it or anything, but once we get it lifted, I'll probably bring you guys back just kind of as like a teaser and stuff. So be sure to stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, well, we're here in the shop. He got the back all put together. I got to get a new bracket for the leaf spring here on the back. Got a new shock and everything stuck in there. Right now we're cutting boards to be stretching my tires. We got these ones stretched, and we're finishing up the last one on mine. So we're gonna get that done real quick, and yeah, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do after that. We've been looking at the motor and stuff, trying to figure out what we need. I ordered a cam and stuff for it, but other than that, I'm not sure what all is gonna be done today, so just stick around and we'll find out. Okay guys, well, if you've seen, we got these tires stretched. We're actually trying to mount these big 53-inch tires. You can see Chad over there standing next to it. Mounting the rim or the wheel and tire together. We have one down here getting ready to go. It's for this excursion, but that's what we've been doing. I have to stretch one more of my tire, but this stack is stretched, and then 3 out of the 4 of mine are. Stretching it just makes it easier to get the 14-inch wide wheel in here, so that's what we're doing. But like I said, the lift kit, the rear lift kit's put on. You can see the new shock there still in the baggie. All this is a block back here. You can see it right in there. So then the front's got a whole new leaf spring and stuff we got to put on it. But as of right now, it doesn't look like lifted very much because, I mean, obviously you have 2 motors, 2 trannies, 2 transfer cases on the back of it. But yeah, that's basically all we've been doing so far. He's airing up that tire over there, trying to get it to take, and then I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do. So that being said, I don't know, it's just a kind of vlog kind of day for video. So that's what we're doing, just kind of vlogging as we go along. Well, I am, he's just here, or I'm just here at his shop. So, but that's as far as the 79s come. Hopefully gonna get the front end done here shortly. And then I ordered, like I said, the cam for the motor and stuff, and we gotta just change everything over of cam. I gotta put the other valve cover on it, and then fuel pump and new distributor and stuff like that. And hopefully we'll be ready to drop it in, and it's forever home here in the 79. And then yeah, so that being said, guys, I'm gonna shut you guys off again. If I have anything else interesting pop up, I'll bring you guys back. now it's sitting on the 54-inch tires, so that little clip there, you can see that you just jack it up and throw them on there. You guys can see how tall this thing is. Like, hey, how tall is this ladder over here? Well, how tall is your door? 12? Okay, so how tall do you think that is? 9? Yeah, so I mean, 12-foot door, and then there's the top of the Excursion. So, pretty big with these tires on there. And I'm 6'1", and it's like here, like right under my boob. So, got some height there. So if you guys are thinking running 54-inch tires, well, there you go. There you probably weigh 415 pounds. So, 12-foot door, top of the Excursion. So, okay guys, well I'm home. I just opened up my sister's garage door or whatever. Didn't get the lift, or the front of the lift kit put on the 79 as we were mounting those big old 54-inch tires and stuff. But I gotta go back over there probably Wednesday, help him finish mounting that, and then hopefully get the front of the 79 lifted. That being said, that's just a little short update, I guess, on the 79, and then just some of the stuff what Chad's doing over there at his shop. But like I said, if you guys need anything like wheels, tires, suspension work, anything done, and you're in the southern Indiana area, be sure to give him a call. That's who I got my wheels and tires from. My buddy Mitch is actually going to get some from him. So I mean, he is phenomenal. I mean, you can see the stuff he had going on in there. But I'm gonna go in, shower, get cleaned up, and then yeah, that's basically it. So remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.